We all know that Python is highly popular these days, as we can get plenty of tools for solving multiple kinds of problems. To learn Python, we should be familiar with its basic concepts. In this video, we are going to learn about the basic yet very important topic in Python, and that is operators used in Python programming language. Hello everyone, I'm Mariam from Dataisgood, working as a data science evangelist. Well, at Dataisgood, we have trained thousands of students in our live classes and helped them make successful data science careers. If you are new here, then please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates and new content. In this video, we will learn about the different types of Python operators and how we are supposed to be using them. We will also look at some of the examples of each Python operator. At the end of this video, you will be very much confident working with Python operators and will clearly understand the scenarios where to use which type of operator. So let us begin this video with the very first topic. What are operators? But before learning about Python operators, let us once get the idea of what operators actually are. Now, an operator is a set of characters that can be used to perform the desired operation on the operands and produce the final result. Basically, they are used to perform certain operations on variables and values. The value that the operator operates on is called the operand. Now, there are various operators which have their own unique properties and functions. Operators in Python are as follows: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison or relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, identity operators, membership operators. So we will learn about each of the Python operators one by one. Let us begin with arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used with numerical values to perform common mathematical operations. We all are already well aware of at least some of the arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation, floor division. So let us directly jump into the Jupyter Notebook and see how these operators work. The first one is the addition operator. With the help of an addition operator or plus sign, we can simply add two values. For example, 3 plus 4. This returns 7. So this addition operator is simply used to perform mathematical addition of two numbers. The next arithmetic operator is the subtraction operator. With the help of a subtraction operator or the minus sign, we can simply subtract one value from the other. For example, 3 minus 4. This returns minus 1. So this subtraction operator is simply used to mathematically subtract one number from the other. The next arithmetic operator is the multiplication operator. With the help of the multiplication operator or the star sign, we can simply multiply two numbers. For example, 3 into 4. This returns 12. So the multiplication operator is simply used to multiply two numbers. The next arithmetic operator is the division operator. With the help of the division operator, we can divide one number from the other. For example, 12 divided by 3, and this returns 4. The next operator is the modulus operator. Modulus operator returns remainder when the first operand is divided by the second operand. For example, 13 modulo 4. This returns 1. The next operator is the exponentiation operator. This operator returns the first operand raised to the power of the second operand. For example, 4 to the power 3. This returns 64. Then the last arithmetic operator is the floor division operator. This operator performs division that will result in an integer value of the quotient. For example, 10 divided by 3. This returns 3. Great, so this was the end of the arithmetic operators. And now we will learn about assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. And there are 8 assignment operators in Python. Assign operator, add and assign, subtract and assign, divide and assign, multiply and assign, modulus and assign, exponentiation and assign, floor divide and assign. Now let us see how each of these operators works. The first one is the assign operator. Assign operator assigns a value to a variable. Let us take an example. We assign a value 7 to the variable x, and we can see that 7 is assigned to the variable x. Great, the next assignment operator is add and assign. This operator adds value on either side and assigns the result to the left operand. For example, we add 2 to x and assign the result to x, and the resultant value of x is returned. The next assignment operator is subtract and assign. This operator subtracts value on the right from the left and assigns the result to the left operand. For example, we subtract 2 from x and assign the result to x. The next operator is divide and assign. This operator divides the value on the left by the right and assigns the result to the left operand. For example, we divide x by 7 and then assign the result to x. Now the next operator is multiply and assign. This operator multiplies both the values and assigns the result to the left operand. For example, we multiply the value of x to 8 and then assign the result to x. The next operator is modulus and assign. This operator performs modulus on the values on either side and assigns the result to the left operand. For example, we divide x by 3 and then assign the remainder or the result to x. The next operator is exponentiation and assign. This operator performs exponentiation on the values on either side and assigns the result to the left operand. For example, we find x raised to the power 5 and then assign the result to the left operand, that is x. And the last assignment operator is floor divide and assign. This operator performs floor division on the values on either side and assigns the result to the left operand. For example, we divide x by 3 and assign the result, that is the integer quotient, to the left operand. Great, so these were the assignment operators in Python. I hope you understood them and are keen to use them in your Python codes. Then comes the next Python operator, which is Python comparison or relational operators. Python relational operators carry out comparison between operands. They tell us whether the operand is greater than the other, lesser, equal, or a combination of these. So there are 6 comparison operators in Python: less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, and not equal to. So let us begin with the less than operator. The less than operator checks if the value on the left side is less than the value on the right side or not. For example, 3 less than 4. Now the result of this expression is true because obviously 3 is less than 4. Then the next operator is greater than. The greater than operator checks if the value on the left side is greater than the value on the right side or not. For example, 3 greater than 4. The result of this expression is false. The result of this expression is true. The value on the left side is not greater than the value on the right side. Therefore, this returns false. The next operator is less than equal to. This operator checks if the value of the left is less than or equal to the value on the right or not. For example, 3 less than equal to 3. Now this expression is true because it checks whether the value on the left is either less than or equal to the right or not. And in this case, the values of the left and right, they are equal. The next operator is greater than or equal to. This operator checks if the value of the left is greater than or equal to the value on the right. For example, 5 greater than or equal to 3. Now this expression results in true. Then the next operator is equal to. This operator checks if the value on the left is equal to the value on the right or not. For example, 10 equals to 10. Now this is a true expression. While 2 equal to 5, this is a false expression. And the last comparison operator is not equal to. Now this operator checks whether the value on the left is not equal to right. For example, 2 not equal to 2. This expression results false, whereas 3 not equal to 4, this expression results in true. Great. Now then comes the next Python operator, which is Python logical operators. Logical operators in Python are used to perform logical operations on the values of the variables. The value is either true or false. Well, there are 3 logical operators in Python: and, or, and not. So now let us begin with the AND operator. This operator checks whether the conditions on both the sides are true or not. Let us take some examples. 2 greater than or equal to 2 and 4 less than 10. The left side expression is 2 greater than or equal to 2, which evaluates to true. And the right side expression is 4 less than 10, which also evaluates to true. The left side and right side conditions both are true. Hence, the output will be true. Now let us take one more example. 3 less than 1 and 3 greater than 2. The left side expression is 3 less than 1, which evaluates to false. And the right side expression is 3 greater than 2, which evaluates to true. In the AND operator, both the expressions should be true. Therefore, this results in false. The next operator is the OR operator. This operator checks whether one of the conditions on both the sides are true or not. Let us understand this clearly by taking an example. 2 greater than or equal to 2 or 4 less than 2. The left side expression is 2 greater than or equal to 2, which evaluates to true. And the right side expression is 4 less than 10, which also evaluates to true. The left side and right side conditions both are true, hence the output will be true. Now let us take one more example. 3 less than 1 or 3 greater than 2. The left side expression is 3 less than 1, which is false. And the right side expression is 3 greater than 2, which is true. So in the OR operator, one of the expressions should be true. Therefore, this results in true. And the last operator is the NOT operator. This operator inverts the Boolean value of an expression. For example, not true returns false. Great. Now let us move ahead and learn about the next Python operator, which is Python bitwise operator. The bitwise operators operate bit by bit, and there are 3 Python bitwise operators: bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator, and bitwise XOR operator. So let us start with the bitwise AND operator. This operator performs bit by bit AND operation on 2 values. Let us take an example. 2 bitwise and 3. 2 in binary form can be written as 0010, and 3 in binary form can be written as 0011. 0010 and 0011 equal to 0010 equal to 2. Hence, the output is 2. The next operator is bitwise OR operator. This operator performs bit by bit OR operation on two values. 2 bitwise OR 3. 2 in binary form can be written as 0010. 3 in binary form can be written as 0011. 0010 or 0011 is equal to 0011 is equal to 3. Hence, the output is 3. And the last bitwise operator is bitwise XOR operator. This operator performs bit by bit XOR, that is exclusive OR, on two values, 2 bitwise XOR exclusive OR 3. 2 in binary form can be written as 0010. 3 in binary form can be written as 0011. 0010 XOR, that is exclusive OR, 0011 is equal to 0001 is equal to 1. Hence, the output is 1. Now, let us move ahead and learn about the next Python operator, and that is Python identity operators. Identity operators test if the two operands share an identity. Now, there are two identity operators, is and is not. Let us begin with the is identity operator. If the two operands have the same identity, it returns true, otherwise false. 2 is 20. Now this will return false because 2 is not the same as 20. Next operator is not operator. Is not operator is exactly the opposite of the is operator. 2 is not 2. Now this returns true because 2 is an integer and 2 is a string. Now let us move ahead and learn about the next Python operator, and that is the Python membership operator. Python membership operator tests whether a value is a member of a sequence. The sequence may be a list, it could be a string or a tuple. And there are two membership operators, in operator and not in operator. Let us begin with the in operator. In operator checks if a value is a member of a sequence or not. For example, L is a list, L equal to 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 2 in L. This returns true as 2 is present in the list, that is L. Whereas 5 in L, it returns false because 5 is not present in the list L. And the last membership operator is not in operator. Not in operator is exactly the opposite of the in operator. 8 not in L. This returns true because 8 is not present in the list L. And with this, we come to the end of this video. I hope that you guys thoroughly understood the Python operators. And if you guys have any doubts, any confusion, then you can always ask us in the comment section. We will try our level best to solve your queries ASAP. So please like, share and comment on this video, and we will be meeting very soon. Till then, stay safe and keep learning. Bye.